WWE Impeccable 21190. Let's do this thing. We whooped that trick. Let's get down to business. Oh, metal card. I forgot they existed. Here we go. The metal card is to 35, Solo Sikoa. Solo Sikoa, congratulations, picked up Solo. 14-35. Let's get into the actual break. Redemption on the bottom. Here we go. Keeping it Usi to 99, Jimmy Uso. To 99, Raquel Rodriguez. 14-99. To 35, it's Bailey. And auto to 75, Axiom. Nice auto there. He does his A's how A-Kid used to do his A's. To 75, Carl Anderson, Machine Gun, 27-75 in Elegance Jersey Auto. Turn it up to 75, it's Scotty to Hottie. That was interesting. Up next, to 75, it's Seth freaking Rollins, 66-75. I've got a good feeling about that redemption. Very good feeling. Alright. Impeccable Tag Team Dual Signatures, card number 2, Brian Knobbs and Jerry Sags. The Nasty Boys.